If you want to add the step counter or pedometer on OPPO Find X9, what you can do is, for example, you can press and hold your finger on an empty space in the home screen and go to widgets. Now over here we're gonna switch from classified to all and then look for step tracker. And now we have this widget that we can immediately add to the home screen. We have to press this add button, and there we go, the step tracker has been added. We can also tap on the widget in order to allow the widget to grant access to whatever permission it is required to be used. And now the step tracker should be working just fine. In addition to that, you can open settings and go to home screen, lock screen and style. And then over here we should be able to tap on our lock screen in order to open this edit. We can tap on the clock over here, and then in additional info we can actually include the pedometer. So we're gonna apply these changes, and now whenever you open the lock screen you will see the amount of steps that you have taken so far. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.